Hi, happy Friday. It is Friday, the 14th of January. Whew, all out of breath getting ready. It's hot, it's humid. But today we are going into Limon, Costa Rica. Is that right? Costa Rica? I keep starting to say Puerto Rico. Anyway, today's the day I'm hoping to fulfill one of the items on my bucket list, and that's seeing a sloth, because we're going to the sloth sanctuary. So you know I'll be doing video there. Okay, so what am I wearing today? Well, you can see this top. It's got anchors and the wheels or whatever you're using, they call them. It's got a... see if you can see this, a little anchor up here, but then I also have on my sloth necklace that my daughter got me for my birthday. And then if you see this, I don't know how long that's going to stay on me, 'cause it's plastic under here. It's my COVID record. Oh, said the bad word. My vaccine record. I say to bring those on shore today, and not to wear open-toed shoes, which I wouldn't if I was going on an excursion anyway. I feel more comfortable in tennies. Then with this, I've got my navy, guess what, crop pants on. So I'm not going to get them showed. Well, maybe I will. I don't know. Should I? I'll probably be staying in this tonight for dinner too. So let's see if I can turn it around. Stand up for you. Yeah, not back far enough, is it? But look it down. Let's see. I know what I'll do. I will turn it down like that. There you go. Oh, wow. At least then if I fell, I'd fall on the bed. Oh, so we had to change our clocks here. Back 1 hour, and then tonight we move it back up an hour, so no biggie. Now we are late getting here because we were late leaving Cristobal, which is the ship port that we were in yesterday after the Panama Canal. And they had to do some fueling or something. Who knows? It was late getting there. And so we were already in bed, probably asleep when we left port, because they said approximately 11 o'clock. So we're later getting into this place. So all of the excursions were moved up later. So we're getting ready to go down there. I'm anxious. I wish they'd let us hold them, but I know they won't. So stay tuned for my sloth experience. And whatever else of interest that I see in this port. So I love you all. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And I will be back later.